What are you making, Irie?
Carrot cake.
Yeah? For what?
My brother's birthday.
Is that what he wants every year?
Yes.
What else does he want?
Presents.
No, what for does he want something else to eat?
Maybe chicken stars.
I think that was last year.
I mean pizza.
Yeah, that's what he wants this year, huh? How old is he going to be?
7.
Are you going to help me make the pizza too?
Yeah.
Okay, you're doing a very good job on the carrots.
Thank you.
How many carrots do we need for this cake?
6.
Okay. How many eggs did you crack?
8.
And how many cups of sugar did you use?
4.
That's right. It's an extra big cake.
Yes.
We're making extra.
Yep.
Okay, good job.
Thanks.
Sign off.
So can I see my picture now? I mean my video now?
Yeah. Hold on.